Bebe.
Price number 12, please go there. Pay money.
Gusto ko kape.
Price number 12, winner, please go there. Pay money.
Ikaw ano gumawa ng sarili mo kape? Masarap?
Ikaw ganun mo lang, tapos lagyan mo patas yun lang.
Anong lasa?
Kape. Kape. Lagyan mo asukal.
0499. 0499. Are you here? 0499. Me or her?
Coffee and tea. Okay. Resort World Sentosa. Gusto mo mag-tea? Ayaw mo? Mag-tea kaya tayo. Pangpatunaw. Make your own coffee. Okay, then pure milk.
Tapos, lang pang steering ko yun.
Ay, gusto ko ng ano be, ng condensed milk sana.
Andito yung pang-hello.
Mayroon bang cream dyan?
You want sugar? Wala. Oh, you want sugar?
Oo. Cream sana. Ada ba cream?
Sugar lang.
Cream siguro yan, oh.
Hindi ko alam.
Mostly nakalagay yung cream, eh. Kilipin mo.
Liquid man siya. Milk din, be. Milk din. Para yung ganun yan.
Condensed nga.
Hindi. Milk lang siya, ano. Parang
Oh, condensed.
condensed.
I tell you.
Condensed ba yan? Tama na, tama na. Thank you.
Tingnan mo nga kung matamis na, oy.
Hindi siya matamis.
Oh, lagyan mo ng sugar. Thank you, ate. Milk. But I want more sugar. Sugar.
നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ തറവാട്ടിലേക്ക് വിടാടാ പിള്ളേരെ.
Tablet. Okay. Let's see, bet to me or you look at me. 0729. 0729. Open tab now. Congratulations, 0729. 0729. Not here.
Ang tigas ng pasta.
Oh, yeah. Congratulations. 0729. Can I take it?
Dala tayong tubig.
Okay, congratulations. This is prize number 4. The third prize. It's a mobile phone.